Are you seeing the Settings UI Library DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. Ensure your Settings UI library environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the Settings UI library, the Windows Settings UI library. It houses the unmanaged UI templates and logic for the modern Settings app. It facilitates the orchestration of system configuration manifests and provides visual data links. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This error is usually caused by corruption in Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and execute sfc/scan now to scan and restore protected files like Settings UI Library DLL. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Settings UI Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the system hive. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. A quick safety warning: never download files like Settings UI Library DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for Settings UI Library. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Settings UI Library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.